Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to associate line items with a deal in Hubspot so you can track products, pricing, and revenue more accurately within your sales pipeline. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to associate line items with a deal in Hubspot. To get started, head over to Sales and click on Deals. If you can't find it there, you may also see it under other sections, such as Marketing. Once you're in the Deals section, you'll see all your existing deals listed. Scroll down to the Line Items section to add line items to a deal. If you don't have a deal yet, click Add Deal, then select Create New. Once your deal is created, open it to view the deal details. Here, you'll see information such as the deal owner, create and close dates, recent activities, and additional details. Adding line items helps bring more clarity and structure to your deals, giving you better visibility into what's being sold and how revenue is generated. This makes reporting easier, improves forecasting accuracy, and helps teams stay aligned throughout the entire sales process. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you understand how to associate line items with deals in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.